quick check-in. All right, so right now I'm driving to Arlington, but it just dawned on me, reverse engineering, right? This is what you got to do. You reverse engineer like whatever it is you want. Like, so that means you start with the goal and then kind of figure out what that looks like go backwards, go in reverse in how you would get there, right? So if the goal is $100, let's just say daily, well, how do you get that first dollar or that first $10 and then that 20? Like, what does that look like to whereas every day it's $100 or whatever the goal is? It could be a house, a huge house, right? Like that house that you want is 900,000 inflation, $1 billion, right? So that little house that you want right there, $1 billion. Okay, well, that house right there, right? That house, I'm sure that's $2 billion. $2 billion, right? How do we get there? I get it. Inflation, all that, man, I get it. That's going to be there. We can always make excuses. How do we get there? So we reverse engineer our way to get there. And it doesn't have to be pretty. And I think that's the part that, you know, when you go on YouTube and all these things, and everybody talk about it on podcasts and all that other stuff, but they never show it, right? They never show it. Show me. My second home, I consider St. Louis. I love St. Louis. St. Louis, the show me state. That's one thing they always would say. I'm from the show me state. You got to show me, baby. Show me. There's a lot of gatekeepers out here, you know. Show me. Just show me how. You know, show me how. Don't tell me to pick myself up by my bootstraps. And I don't got no boots. How do I get boots? All right, so, you know, whatever it is, I like to hear from some people on, if you out here running your solo journey and your entrepreneur, whatever you're doing, I would like to, you know what I'm saying, just hear some stories, put it out there so that we can, like, I don't know, build a community. I don't know. I'm just trying to share it. Like I said, I know somebody need to hear it. All right, we're going to get back to work, though. I'm sorry. I be rambling sometimes. It's just the thoughts when you solo. You know what I'm saying? When you out here just going after it. Sorry for yelling. That coffee ain't wear off yet. We back. Officially arrived in Arlington, and we about to run up in here and knock it out. I think it's just one TV. Let's do it. Y'all probably can't see it, but it's starting to snow a little bit here. Let me see something. This kind of help. Nah, I'm just joking. Sometimes you gotta sit and wait. It's okay. It's nice out, nice and frosty. All right, we here. We ready to get to it. So we got this. Right there. Let's go. Oh yeah. Guess we here for a good time. All right, yeah. Y'all know what this is. This is just me being a chill guy. Sweeping, you know what I mean? It's a shame I don't even do this at home. You know, so I know my wife like, you want me to sweeping, bro? Yeah, I sweep, but I thought we had a deal. The great words of the wonderful American out of Miami, Florida. Another one. For the game, check this out. Let me see. How do I just want to get a picture of it. That's cool. Those are the rules. All right, y'all, so we headed out. That was a quick 2. Hold on, I'm confused. It's nothing but blue doors. Blue doors. Elevator. Oh. But I was stuck. All right. Sorry. That was another 2 that we'll add to the kitty. 250 actually, I'm sorry. 250 to the kitty. All right. 250 to the kitty. 1. And we're gonna head to the next. I think the next one is in Clarksburg, Maryland, near the outlets. I'm headed to you. We may have to stop at Nike, see what they got. Yeah, we may have to. All right, y'all. So it's what time is it right now? 10. I can see. I don't know why I squint like that, but 10:55. So that's 250 plus the 2. That's 450 total. So we crushed the goal today. So that puts us at, we're going to call it 125% for the day. You know what I mean? Don't check my math. Say that to say, you can do it too. You can do it too. So it's tangible. It's out here. It's attainable. It's doable. It's doable. It is doable. I'm a living testimony to that. All right. I'm sorry. See y'all at the next one. Clarksburg. I think it's Clarksburg. I'll check in when we get there. I'll let you know if I was right.